A refugee crisis that should have ended in one generation became a permanent geopolitical weapon for 77 years. Welcome to Hindu Infopedia. The Palestine question is usually presented to the world as a simple story of oppression and resistance. But the deeper reality of West Asia reveals something far more complex. Palestine is both a real human tragedy and a geopolitical instrument used by regional and global powers for interests far beyond Palestinian statehood. The displacement of Palestinians during the 1948 Arab-Israeli War is a documented historical fact. Around 700,000 Palestinians became refugees after the war launched by surrounding Arab states against the newly created Israel. Over time, however, that displacement evolved into something unique in modern history. The United Nations Relief and Works Agency, known as UNRWA, created a hereditary refugee framework found nowhere else in international refugee law. Unlike other refugee crises managed by the UNHCR, Palestinian refugee status passes from generation to generation, regardless of citizenship or place of birth. Today, the registered refugee population exceeds 5.9 million people. This transformed a wartime displacement into a permanent political structure. The regional pattern surrounding Palestinians also reveals a harsh reality. Jordan granted citizenship to many Palestinians, but later faced the Black September conflict when the Palestine Liberation Organization challenged the monarchy itself. Lebanon accepted refugees and later descended into years of civil war involving armed Palestinian factions and eventually Hezbollah. Kuwait hosted hundreds of thousands of Palestinians before expelling many after the PLO supported Saddam Hussein during Iraq's invasion of Kuwait. Syria maintained strict control over refugee camps, which later became battlegrounds during the Syrian civil war. The same pattern repeated across multiple states. Public solidarity remained strong, but permanent absorption remained limited. Even wealthy Gulf states that loudly support the Palestinian cause refused large-scale resettlement. Egypt reinforced its barriers around Gaza. Jordan repeatedly tightened border security. Iran armed Hamas with rockets and military support, but did not offer mass resettlement to Palestinians. The message was clear. Supporting the cause politically served regional strategy more than resolving the refugee condition permanently. The most important comparison comes not from West Asia, but from India in 1947. The partition of India displaced between 10 million to 14 million people in one of the largest forced migrations in human history. Yet there was no hereditary refugee system, no permanent international structure preserving refugee identity for generations, and no institutional ecosystem rewarding endless conflict. Within one generation, refugees in India became citizens, entrepreneurs, professionals, and nation builders. The contrast raises a critical question. Was Palestine allowed to become a permanent issue because powerful actors benefited from its continuation? The conflict in West Asia is not sustained by one side alone. It survives because every major actor found strategic value in keeping the wound open. Thank you for watching Hindu Infopedia. Please like, subscribe, and share the channel, and read more detailed analysis at Hindu Infopedia.